My name is Andrea. I'm originally from Colombia, but I live almost 10 years in Costa Rica, so I'm like a mix of Colombian and Tica.
Tell us about the woman behind the success. What inspired you to become who you are today?
When I was young, I faced like a lot of different challenges, and I realized that in order for you to have the results that you want in your life, it's really important to work in yourself, like in your personal development. So I started as a life coach. Then when I was doing like my coaching sessions, I started working with a lot of different entrepreneurs, and I realized that there was like a big gap. And it was the lack of information and tools for women entrepreneurs to work in their mindset and in their skill set. So that's where I decided to put those two things together, work in your mindset so you can have the results, and at the same time to give you the skills that you need in order to scale your business, that you need in order to have the results that you want in your life.
Reflecting on the incredible contributions like women yourself, why do you believe it's important to celebrate the achievements of other female entrepreneurs?
I feel that every time that you celebrate another woman, then you are recognizing what is possible for you as well. Like every time someone is achieving their dreams, they are showing you that it's possible for you as well. So for me to celebrate other women, it's an opportunity for me to see what else is possible, and yeah, what else is possible for me as well.
So who are the women that inspire and motivates you? Like, who do they influence you, drive to leave a lasting impact on the world?
Of course, I have to mention my mom. She's in the heaven already. She passed away like a couple of years ago. But for me, that's like, she's my mentor. Like, she showed me the power of love, the power of the mindset, the power of having a dream and taking the steps that you have to take in order to accomplish your goals. So I need to mention my mom, and of course I need to mention all the entrepreneurs that I work with, because each one of them, they have like their unique magic, their unique message. So every time that I know someone that it's an entrepreneur as Paula, I'm inspired. Like, they are my inspiration.
Share your experience connecting with other female entrepreneurs, mentors, and experts. How does collaboration contribute to breaking down barriers and creating a more supportive business landscape for women?
Yeah, collaborating with other women, it's really important because, like, once you understand that each one of us, it's really different, that each one of us has like a different view of the world, you understand the power of collaborating, because maybe you are going to see the world in a different way as I do it. And guess what? Every time that I collaborate with you, every time that we work together, we are going to build like something new, something different. So I feel that every time you collaborate with other women, you have the opportunity to grow, to see different possibilities that maybe you were not contemplating before. And yeah, you can see the world from another perspective.
In a constantly evolving market, what strategies do you use to stay informed for the emerging trends and to adapt your business in these changing needs of your customers?
We are in a intercommunicated world, so for me it's internet. Like, I'm learning all the time. I'm a nerd. Like, I'm learning all the time. Podcasts, books, I'm learning all the time, because I have realized that in order to take my business to the next level, then like I have to upskill all the time. I have to take my life to the next level as well. So I feel that right now we have a lot of different resources like internet. Yeah, we have a lot of different resources.
What are the most crucial lessons you've learned as a female entrepreneur? And what advice would you give to women that are just starting their entrepreneurial journey or want to take their business to the next level?
First one will be that, of course, you can do it by yourself, but it's going to be more difficult. So the importance of having mentors, of having people that they can help you to take your life and business to the next level. I will say that that's one of the biggest one. Like, you can do it by yourself, but it's easier and it's more fulfilling if you do it with someone else. So for me, you need to have a mentor. It's a non-negotiable. If you want to take your life and your business to the next level, then surround yourself with people that they already did it, because they are going to show you the way on how you can do it as well. That will be the first one. The second one, as I said before, you need to work in yourself. You need to work in your mindset. In order for you to take your life to the next level, in order for you to have better results in your business, you need to work in yourself. You cannot have the results that you want if you don't have the right mindset. If you don't have, if you don't have the right tools in order to take your business to the next level. What other thing is important? Don't take anything personal. Like, you need to have a beginner mind all the time. You are going to try some things, and some of them they are going to work, and other ones they are not going to work. So don't take any failure personal. Just try, and if it didn't work, then try again and try again. So yeah, you need to have a beginner mind, and you need to try all the time.
A message to your younger self. If you could go back in time and offer a piece of advice to your younger self, what would it be?
To believe in yourself, to do it. Like, yeah, just believe in yourself. I'll say that a lot of times we think in what other people they are going to think, if it's going to work, if it's not going to work. And as I said before, you are not going to know if it's going to work if you don't try it. So believe in yourself, like, be willing to take the action, and yeah, believe in the beauty of your dreams. They were given to you for a reason.
So what is your favorite part of being a woman?
I feel that we can be strong, at the same time we can be really soft. So it's like the duality, like, yeah, being a woman, it's having the opportunity to embrace both sides, like you doing the things that you have to do, but at the same time connecting with the soft part of yourself. So for me, yeah, that's like the summary.
Continue my phrase using one word. Women are
Powerful. Bye
perfect.
bye.
Bye bye.